Hi everyone, it's me again. I got my Bibbidi Bobbidi box in the mail yesterday. I picked it up from the mailbox this morning because I thought it would be delivered in my apartment office complex, but they said they were closed yesterday, so it actually got delivered in the mailbox. So I already took the shrink wrap off, make it easier, and here we go. See what I got this month. So Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, I got the ultimate magic box, which is about $119 plus shipping. So let's see what I got this month. So take a look. There's this. There's a little like Christmas card that has Roz from Monsters Inc. saying she knows if you've been scary or nice. Happy holiday season from the team here at BBB, Amanda, Becky, and Brenda. If you hear any noise, that's not me. It's my cat, Baker. He likes to run around like a crazy kitten. He's about 7 months now. He's 7 months old, and he's a little tuxedo cat, so he might be coming in and out of here. There's a Mike and Sully spoiler alert. You know, it says what I got and how much. This out. There we go. Oh, Baker, honey. I guess it's playtime. Where he's running around everywhere. Trying to get all the confetti, some people call it foozles, out of the way. And first, try not to peek. Okay, good. So I got a red box, Jim Shore box in my Bibbidi box. So let's see. What did I get? I'm sure I had scissors handy. See. And since I got 50 boxes, this is the third Jim Shore out of maybe, this is my 5th box, I think. So, more than half I've gotten 50 Jim Shore, which is really nice. Let's see, did I get... Baker, you're acting like a crazy kitten. Baker, what are you doing? And I got... I got a Mickey and Minnie together Jim Shore. So cute. And it looks like they're looking at like a photo album or a scrapbook, which me and my husband were doing when we first were dating. We kind of forgot about it, so we haven't really been updating it. But that is super cute. Thank you, ladies. Oh, so cute. The box. Baker, what are you doing? And off he goes again. So, what else? Oh, I got Mickey Mini pens. Do have a cork board that has some Disney pens in it right now. When I went to Disneyland last year, we got one of the Mickey Mini of them kissing, the magnet ones, the Mickey hands doing a heart, and some other stuff, but so cute. And it's pink tag, which I can't remember what a pink tag, how much that costs, but the packing slip will tell me. And then I have like one more thing, and then my last thing is it's an Alex and Ani Mickey and Minnie with the Christmas tree, decorating it. This is actually my first Alex and Ani bracelet, so that is cute. Thank you so much, ladies at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. You did a fantastic job. I'm very impressed. And then, last but not least, my packing slip. Let's see here. So, the Disney Tradition Jim Shore Mickey and Minnie Sharing Memories box was $65. The Park Exclusive Limited Edition Mickey's Very Merry Bracelet, which is the Alex and Ani, is $54.99, so $55 or $45. Sorry, it's $44.99, so $45. And then the pen set of Mickey and Minnie is $14.99, so $15, doing a grand total of $24.98, so $25. So about a $5 more than what I spent, which is great. I love this box. Like, it was, oh, you did such a wonderful job, ladies. All right, I hope everyone has a good day. Looks like Baker might be coming to join us. Baker, bring me your toy. Come on, bring me your toy. Go here. Here, cat. Over here. Baker. So my cat loves to fetch hair ties. Well, I usually slingshot them. He'll go, try to find it, and then bring it back. Baker, where's your toy? Yeah, he's trying to find it right now. He usually does a really good job of finding it, unless it's somewhere high up that he can't reach. But he's usually good about bringing it back. Well, hope everyone has a great holiday season. I did order their Christmas limited box, so I'll be doing an unboxing. I already kind of know what is entitled, what I'm gonna get, but I'll do an unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.